this is Lynn from Hook and Yarns. Welcome to my first ever video tutorial. So for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to do the single crochet or SC. So without further ado, let's start. These are the materials we are needed. The hook, yarn, and scissor. This is the sample of single crochet. Make a chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Once again, yarn over, pull up a loop. That's 2 chain. Try again. Pull up a loop. 3 chain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 chains. To do the single crochet, insert the hook on the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. Insert the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull up 2 loops. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Okay, let's do until the end and meet you there. The last chain, insert hook, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. To do the second row, chain 1, turn, then do the single crochet, insert the hook for the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Insert, try again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. So let's do until the end. Another row, chain 1, turn, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Then it's a repeat process. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up 2 loops. This is a repeat process until you reach your desired width or length. That's it everyone, this is the single crochet. I hope you like it, and please subscribe for those who are not subscribed yet, and see you in my next video tutorial. Thank you guys, bye, God bless us.